It's peaceful out here. Okay, I didn't get the video done last night and uploaded and all that, so. So I'm on private property and riding out this ice storm. I figured I would pick a good location to chill and try to get some stuff done on the computer. No grand tour on this, but I will give you an indication of what it's like outside. Been hearing some thunder. And I'm gonna do a video on a new heater I installed at some point, and it's working fantastic. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, but I'll give you a little glimpse as to what it's like outside. It's been pretty windy here in Texas, about 3 hours south of Dallas, and pretty cool. Quite a bit of thunder in this particular ice storm. Pretty windy, some thunder, and a pretty hardy little ice storm that, you know, it's pretty extreme weather change going on, as you know. So I'll give you a glimpse as to what I'm seeing out the door here. Starting to get some snow mixed in with this sleet. I guess we're probably somewhere close to an inch of accumulation now, which is a little bit more than they predicted for this area. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I think we're somewhere down around 18 degrees or so right about now, 16 maybe. Digging it. Definitely digging it. It's a great thing about this little setup. Didn't think I'd be sitting here with the door open, wearing shorts, and enjoying a little bit of ice coming right on in the door here. It's pretty cool though. I've been able to examine how effective my insulation is in certain areas. Let me shut this door. And basically it's pretty good in many areas, like my window coverings, which I've chose to use the 1-inch R6 level insulation factor insulation board. Sorry, I'm a little tired, I guess, but I cut those out as close to the window shape as I could and stuffed them in the windows. And so the windows where I have all that on, there is ice on the outside of the van. The windows that are not up front, that are not insulated, obviously the precipitation is melting right off due to the heat escaping through the glass, or transferring through the glass. It's kind of cool, you know, and I feel little drafts coming in certain areas where I could potentially improve the seal around the door. And so Maybe I'll do that someday. That's crossed my mind already, but way too many projects are on the plate, have been on the plate, and continue to be on the plate. So this is the February 14th, 15th, 16-ish ice storm going on here in Texas. So yeah, I just wanted to get this part of the video, put it in, share this with you. A little view of things in the daylight, and figure we'd grab a little coffee here. I stayed up late trying to get that video done and then just passed out and fell asleep. So the deer are moving around a little bit this morning. They're seeming to like it a lot. I'm liking it a lot, so pretty nice change of pace, you know. It's been forever since I've really seen much snow, so it's a little bit chilly. But it is pretty. Now, one of my friends from up north wanted me to build a snowman, but I hate to disappoint, but I'm just not going to be able to pull that off today. Maybe I can find a snowman and take pictures or something, you know. But okay, so there's the daylight view of things, and a little bit of beauty from the snow here in Texas. You know, maybe it relates to the many hits on the head I've managed to obtain over time, but the first nearly 50 years of life has seemed to fly by in a way that could leave one asking, where did it go? So I don't even want to think about how fast the remaining fraction of life left to live will vanish into thin air. Well, this blast of cold air reminds me that people can be much more harsh to themselves, both individually and to one another among the collective, and just about anything else that comes our way. As we bounce through our shared sprint race of life on Earth, Mother Nature is way more often than not staying busy adorning us with new seasons, new opportunities, and nourishment for new life. Nature has its ways of forcing us to slow down, and to me it seems it is likely with good reason. After all, it is far too easy to get in a hurry to go in a direction that takes us further away from where we might be the happiest. I hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are, and hope you're experiencing a lot of joy in your life. I better get back to working on some videos because I've got a lot to share. Take care. Stay well.